everybody, welcome to today's lecture of phonetics. Okay, today's lecture راح نشرح على 6.4 اللي هي عندنا the use of strong forms. Okay, let's get started. Okay, as I have said, the 35 common words which have weak forms. Okay, الكلمات اللي بيها اللي هن الcommon. Okay, 35 okay have weak forms. بيها weak forms, right? Have strong forms. Okay, بيها weak forms وبيها strong forms which must be used in the following cases. لازم هذني strong forms لازم تستخدم. Okay, it's a must thing إنه لازم نستعملهن بهذني cases. Okay, خلينا نعرف يا cases بالضبط. Okay, right. أولا, whenever the word is stressed. Okay, whenever the word is stressed, كل ما تكون الكلمة مشددة لازم نستعمل strong forms. Right, as it may be. راح يعطينا example. Can I, do they. Okay, can I do they. الكان هاي هنا stressed. Okay, will do they. Okay, do هنا stressed. Okay, خلينا نشوف هذني examples. Have you finished? Okay, you must choose. Us or them. He likes her, but does she like him? Okay, احنا عرفنا from the previous videos, from the previous lectures, okay, من المحاضرات السابقة انه اذا حطينا هنا نجمة معناتها الكلمة حتكون مشددة, right? Okay, هسه اول شي عرفنا انه whenever the word is stressed, كل ما تكون الكلمة مشددة لازم تكون بال strong forms. Okay, هاي هنا strong forms. Okay, ثانيا, whenever the word is final in the group, كل ما تكون الكلمة final بنهاية الجروب. Okay, مثلا Jane has. Okay, Jane has. الhas هنا نهاية strong form. Right. Mary will. Right, okay. You are. I don't want to. Okay. What's that for? Okay, هسه عرفنا انه strong forms نستخدمهن. Okay, اثنين. weak forms also have strong forms. عرفنا انه weak forms also بيهن strong forms which must be used in the following cases. الcases ياهن الcases انه من تكون الكلمة stressed ومن تكون in the final of the group لازم تكون strong form. Exceptions. Okay, this is important. Okay, exceptions. Let's highlight it. الexceptions لازم ننتبه عليهن. الexceptions معناتها انه هذني rules they don't apply to these words. هذني rules they don't work. Okay, ما راح يشتغلن على هذني الكلمات اللي هن خلينا نشوفهن. He, him, his, her, them, us have their weak forms in final. Okay, هذني الكلمات راح يكونن weak forms. Okay, weak forms. Right, weak forms. انتبهوا, هذني الكلمات راح يكونن weak forms in final. إذا اجتي بالنهاية راح تكون weak forms weak وليس strong. Okay, unless they are stressed obviously, of course. Okay, أما إذا كان المشددات فأكيد راح يكونن strong forms. I told her. Okay, I told her she liked them. We called for him. Okay, for him هنا عندنا شنو هاي شنو weak form لأن جاية بالنهاية من الجملة. زين. They laughed at us. us هاي هنا let's highlight it. Okay, us هاي جاية من هاي اللي هي معناته لازم شنو تكون weak forms بنهاية الجملة. Okay, not has its weak form finally when attached to can, have, is, etc. So not كلمة not. Okay, has its weak form بيها weak form finally من تكون مثلا cannot, haven't. Okay, بيها weak form. Okay, Jane can't. Okay, Mary isn't هاي يعني not هنا. But never otherwise. I hope not. Okay, so now what he's trying to say, okay, what this is trying to say is that not كلمة not إذا تجي مع can والhave راح تكون شنو؟ راح تكون بيها weak form. اوكي راح تكون بها الويك فورم. اما اذا اجتي مثلا قبلها غير كلمه مثلا hope، اوكي hope not، النوت هنا راح تجي full form، اوكي السترونج فورم مثلا يعني. اوكي some of the 35 words are very rarely either stressed or final in the group and so very rarely have their strong form. اوكي اكو بعض الكلمات انه rarely يكون يعني بقلة انه تكون مشددة or in final او تجي بنهاية الجملة يعني مثلا in the group. اوكي or very very rarely have their strong form، ما بيهن يعني قليلات كلش انه يكون بيهن strong form. for example يعطينا مثلا الذان، الأ، الذا، هذا شنو يعني؟ مثلا انه هذني كلمات صعب انه تلقاهن، يعني you can rarely find them in the final position of a word. اوكي او مثلا يكونن بالstrong form مالتهن. but occasionally they are stressed for reasons of meaning. but مرات انه نشددهن اوكي حتى نوضح الريزن مثلا السبب of meaning، اوكي انه قاعد نوضح على هاي الكلمة and then they naturally have their strong form طبعا. اوكي مثلا I said a son هنا أنا مشددة، اوكي not the son. اوكي I said a son not the son. اوكي practice all these examples and make up others for yourself and practice these too. طبعا hopefully I hope this lecture has been useful for you. اوكي ان شاء الله فادتكم هاي lecture. We will make another lecture طبعا للrhythm units 6.5. okay, thank you for watching and thank you for listening.